Hi, this is Celeste Miles, and today I will be completing the reverse engineering assignment using one of the visualizations from Makeover Monday. So here I have the visualization that I'll be recreating. This right here is the original report. This is the one I will be doing. And so first off, what you would do is download. So I would click here and do this and do Tableau. For convenience, I already have it in Tableau here. So here's my sheet 1. And let's take another look at what I'll be recreating. So here we have global imports of cocoa beans per region in tons. So let's go here, import in tons, and let's do by region, and let's do year in color. Change this to a side-by-side bar chart. So here we have that. Next, I'll change the label here to, let's double check, Figure 1, global imports of cocoa beans per region. And then down here, tons. Make that a little bit smaller. Looks a little gray in there. And I'm going to do this here. These colors aren't quite the same, so I'll change those. Let's see. And just do that so we can take a look at this here. So 2015, 2016, 2017 is a green. I'll do green. 2018 is a blue, which is already blue. So that's good. And 2019 is a red. We'll do that. There. See, that's done. And here I have my label on the bottom, so I'm going to drag my label down to the bottom. There we go. And there we are. So as you can see, very similar here. You have your Asia, Americas, Europe. And here I will now be exporting the image. We'll do this. And there we are. Thank you for watching.